Hey, how's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Can you put the window down a little bit more, please?
I can hear you.
All right.
What did you pull me over?
Sorry?
So what is the cause?
Well, you're all tinted out and there's no plates.
There is plates. There's plates in my car.
Where's the plates?
It's one in the back and one in the front.
Well, it says in the back it's not a plate. It's not an Ohio plate. Or any state.
I'm not from Ohio.
Where are you from?
I'm from the area of Morocco.
Speak up, please.
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco?
Yeah, that's the name of this country. It's called Morocco.
Okay. Well, you need a plate.
I know.
You don't have a plate.
That's a plate issued by my
Do you have your registration?
That's a plate issued by my consulate. I'm not from this area.
Okay, so where are you from? You said Morocco?
Corporate state, Illinois. I'm from Illinois State, the Corporation of Illinois.
Okay. Do you have your license on you?
I have my nationality card, that's it. It's my nationality card. Issued by my consulate. My consulate issued this.
That's not a license.
It's a nationality card.
All right, I need a license. You need a license to drive.
I'm not driving, sir.
What are you doing there?
Driving is when you're
driving. We're not going to do the whole sovereign citizen thing.
I'm not a sovereign citizen.
That's what you're explaining to me. You're saying
I'm not explaining that.
you're saying you just have
I have a nationality card,
Right.
which is recognized by the Department of Justice.
well, I need a license.
I'm not driving. I'm traveling.
You're driving. If you're on the road, you're driving.
What was the reason for you pulling me over?
Well, you're alternate out and you don't have plates. There's no
I do
visible
have
plates.
One in the front and one in the back.
Is that your ID?
It's my nationality card.
Can I see it, please?
You're looking at it. I can't give it to you. My consulate said I can't give you my ID.
Okay, so there's no. You need
Are
a.
you all? Where's your supervisor at? So I can speak to the supervisor.
You can talk to our supervisor when you're done at the station.
Okay, I'm not going to the station.
We
I
need
didn't
a-
do anything illegal.
We need your driver's
I didn't do
license.
anything illegal. What was the reason for you pulling me over?
I've already given you 2 reasons.
What's the reason?
You're alternate out.
Okay.
That's illegal.
I'm
And you don't have a
alternate out.
yes.
The window
Your
tint.
window tints.
The window tints.
I'm not from Ohio.
Well, we don't know that because you're not giving us an ID,
I just
and you don't have no
showed you
plates.
ID right here. I'm showing you the ID
You have
right
to
here.
identify yourself. Okay.
I just need to speak to the supervisor.
You can talk to him when we're done here,
Okay, well,
but we need to finish what we're doing.
I need to get where I need to get. So if you want to do what you need to do, I need to speak to the supervisor.
Okay, you can talk to him at the station when we're
I'm not going to the
completed.
station 'cause I didn't do anything illegal.
Okay. I need a driver's license and an insurance
I'm
card
not
for the
driving,
vehicle.
I'm traveling.
You are driving.
I'm not driving.
Yeah,
I'm
you're.
traveling.
Yep, you're driving. You're behind the.
Okay, so am I transporting goods and people?
It
In order
doesn't
for me to
matter.
get
You're
you
driving
right-
on a. You're driving a motor vehicle on the roadway in the United States of America. You're driving a car.
This is an engine. It doesn't have a motor in it. It has an engine.
We're not going to play these games.
I'm not playing no games.
You need to identify yourself.
Mia McLean L. Mia McLean L. L. E-L. Make sure you add the E-L.
Why is the VIN number taped over on the windshield?
Because the car is not under United States jurisdiction, so I don't have to show you the VIN number.
Right now.
What was that first name?
N-I-A.
All right.
Last name M-C-L-I-N hyphen E-L.
Date of birth.
You don't need that.
What'd you say?
So you don't need that.
I need your date of birth. You need to identify yourself. All right.
I gave you my first and last name. That's all you need. That's all I'm giving you.
You have to identify yourself,
I
or
just
else you go to
identify
jail.
myself. Mia McLean hyphen L. I just identified myself. I just identified myself. Did I not? You asked for a name, so I gave it to you.
Give us your driver's license.
I just told you I don't have it.
Do you have an Ohio ID?
I'm not from this area.
Where are you from?
I'm from corporate state Illinois.
Okay, do you have an Illinois ID?
I have a nationality card, sir. You asked me for identification. The nationality card takes the place of a driver's
We need
license.
a nationality card does not take the place of a driver's
So if
license.
foreigners not live in this area,
You need a driver's license to drive on the roadways.
But that's if I'm transporting goods, services, and people. I'm just traveling by myself.
It doesn't matter if you're by yourself or you're with 17
So
other
where's the
people
law
on a
that says
bus.
I need a driver's license.
You need a driver's license.
Sir,
You need to provide identification.
I just gave you identification.
If you don't provide identification, you're going to be taken to jail.
You want me to speak to the supervisor? Because I can explain myself to the supervisor.
You need to provide identification or else you're going to go to jail. Do you understand that?
I need to get back to Illinois, and I didn't do anything.
And we need to get back to our jobs too. I get it. You can get back to Illinois. All you have to do is identify yourself.
I just did.
And then we'll be done here in 5
I
minutes.
just did.
But you want to play these stupid, petty games saying you're traveling and you're a citizen of wherever, okay? We just need identification from you, bottom line. Do you have any weapons in the vehicle? Okay. She's not getting anything up. I'm going to grab a Terminator and set it here just in case.
Okay.
Break a window. That's probably the only thing we do. I'm going to get her out of the car at this point.
Yep. All right, we're gonna have you step out the car.
I need to speak to the supervisor.
I'm sorry.
I said I'm not stepping out the car. I need to speak to the supervisor.
Supervisor's right here.
Okay, well, I speak to him. I don't want to speak to you.
Yeah, come on out. I can talk to you.
Oh, no, I'm not coming outside. I can talk to you right here.
I can't hear you.
I said I'm not coming outside.
You've been ordered out of the car.
You've been ordered out of the car.
I'm not coming out the car.
You understand you're going to be placed under arrest if you don't exit the car?
I didn't do anything wrong.
You're being ordered out of the car right now, so step on out.
I'm not stepping out the car.
Are you refusing to get out of the car?
What did you pull me over for?
Well, I can see a few things. I'm not sure what the other officer pulled you over for. Right now, we're going to have you step on out. This is your final
Where is
opportunity.
the supervisor?
I'm right here.
What's your name?
Sergeant Mike Daly,
Okay, sorry.
badge number 62.
Okay, so what am I being pulled over for, sorry?
I told her the tints and the and
I mean, yes, I have tints, but my car is private, so that's why I'm operating privately.
Okay, for right now, we're going to have you step out of the car. We got the legal right to ask you to step out of the car for a traffic stop, so step on out.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
If not, you're obstructing official business.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong. So how about you get the sheriff down here instead? 'Cause I don't
Nope, sheriff isn't coming down here.
Okay, well, I'm not talking.
You have to step out of the car.
You're not doing anything wrong.
you don't step out the car, you're gonna be under arrest.
Sir, what did you pull me over for?
I'm not gonna keep explaining
Why
the
are you
same
all
thing to you.
intimidating me?
Huh?
I said, why are you all trying to intimidate me?
We're not trying to intimidate you. I've been trying to cooperate. She's closing the window. She's trying.
stop again like that. Are you okay if we talk to her? Not yet. 3-4. You can see a apartment and one of those pursuit terminator things in front of their cars. Apartment does the runway. Alright, we're still on past Apache right now. These are 48.
No plate. She said she's a sovereign citizen. I'm with them. They're at the intersection here. They might have it stuff. Where are you at, 12? Alright, looks like they're still going northbound on Chevy. Northbound Chevy. Approaching Brook Park. Northbound Chevy, speed 36 miles an hour. Full that copy, I'll follow the flow of traffic. I'll just keep you updated. 95 to 601, if they're going at slow speeds, are we okay to continue with the Grappler and get into this? Yeah, we can try to grab it. 6162.
What?
Be advised, we have the female calling us 911 now. We're trying to advise her to pull over.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going 40. Approaching Brook Park. How far you guys at? I'm coming up to Chevy. I can try to throw 6. We're coming up to Chevy now. Indicating for westbound Brook Park. And with the Grappler. I copy. Westbound Brook Park. Fireman should be right there with the Grappler. If you can advise normal, when they have that Grappler here, come up along our left side, we'll let them in front. I'm sorry, to what unit from? Grappler's the lead unit. Stopped with the Grappler near the railroad tracks for Park. And it's over with him.
Coming out. You got one? Alright. Back it up, bro. She ain't coming out. She's solo. Hey, back up. Get away from that pillar. What's her name?
JJ, what was her name?
What is it?
It's Naya. Or
Naya?
Nia.
Naya, step out of the car! Radio, are you still on the line with her? Naya, open the door and step out! Hey, we're gonna bring her far right. I need a hands and a less lethal.
There's only one person in
Yes, that's it. Naya, walk backwards to the sound of my voice.
At least one.
Walk backwards. Keep coming back. Keep coming. I got commands.
I got
Step
hands.
to your right. Step over that. That's it. She's the only one.
Hey, back up here, back up here. Walk her back to JJ.
Back up. Keep walking back. JJ, you got hands?
I got hands.
Get up on the sidewalk. Back up. Keep coming back.
All right, walk backwards
Keep
towards
coming
my
back.
voice. Keep going,
Chris.
come back.
Chris, you got commands?
Yeah, come back, keep coming back. Right back on the sidewalk.
Can you go lethal with that, Mike?
Keep walking back, walk
All right.
back. Keep coming, 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 keep coming. Step to your right, step to your right. Get down on your knees. Lay down on your stomach and put your hands behind your back. Lay down on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest, you understand that?
All right, roll over. On your side. Sit up. You're gonna stand on 3. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. You good?
No.
Why do you say you're not good? You hurt?
Mm-hmm.
What's going on?
A lot of stuff.
The handcuffs?
A lot of stuff is going on. I'm just trying to get back home.
Well, why? I don't know why you fled.
Because you all were about to attack me.
Nobody was gonna attack you.
It was 3 you all and 1 of me. Yes, you were.
Nobody was gonna attack you.
Okay.
I was talking to you real calm, trying to get you on your way.
I was
Just
talking
trying
to
to
you
figure out what
calm
was
too.
going on.
I was talking to you calm too. I wasn't being rude. I told you what you asked for. I gave you everything you asked for. I just didn't give you my nationality card because my consulate says we're not supposed to do that. I'm following consulate orders.
All right, step out.
Come right over this way and get those cuffs off you, okay? Watch your step right here.
Her phone might still be on. Whatever.
As soon as I get these off, what I'll have you do is take your jacket and your hat off and hand those to me. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
You can go ahead and take your necklace, sorry, your bracelet off there. As well. Was it just the watch or was it a bracelet? No, unfortunately not. We'll keep it off that clear for you. Why don't you go ahead and have a seat there? Go ahead and take your shoes off and show me your socks inside out. Yeah, I was just trying to balance. Of course, show me your socks inside out. You can put those back on afterwards. Okay, you can put those back on. Okay, you put your socks back on. We're good.
Okay. I gotta do citations and stuff, so
That's fine. Yeah.
yeah.
Over here.
I still don't have a positive ID. If you guys can.
That's fine. Yeah.
5 hours later.
You can go ahead and have a seat in that brown chair right there. Thanks, guys. Alright. My name's Sergeant Taylor. I'm with the Palm Heights Police Department. You're Nia, correct? Okay. So obviously you're in here, you're in custody. You can't just get up and walk away, so I'm going to read this to you real fast. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have them with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before questioning you if you wish. And you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions, make any statements. You understand all of that? Yes? Okay. Alright. So you met our patrol guys tonight. I'm a sergeant at Detective Bureau. That's my partner, Detective Pursley. We're just trying to figure out what happened. We got called because there was a pursuit. Pursuits in Ohio are felonies. So that's why we're here. Okay? So why did we run? Why did we were at a traffic stop, we were stopped in the parking lot, and then we put the car into drive and drove away. Can you tell me why we did that?
Because I felt like my safety was in danger.
Okay. What made you feel like your safety was in danger?
Because they put on gloves like they were about to punch out my window.
Okay. I wasn't on the traffic stop, so.
I know I contacted and I asked for a sheriff. They said there was nobody around. So
Okay.
at that point, who else is there to talk to? If I can't even talk to the higher ups, which is the sheriff.
Okay. So they were at your car. Did they ask you to get out or anything?
Yes, they did.
Okay. Did you say you weren't getting out? Like I wasn't there. I haven't watched body cam. I was at home having dinner. Now I'm here. So
Right.
I'm leaving it up to you to kind of fill in the blanks. I haven't even gone back and talked to them yet. I like to give you guys your chance to tell me your side of the story because I can come over here and talk to you real fast, and then I go talk to them. Like they get paid to wait to talk to me. You're sitting here, so I figured I'd come talk to you first. Okay.
Okay.
So they asked you to get out of the car. You said you didn't want to.
I said, what was the reason for me getting out of the car?
Okay. And then you said you felt like you were in danger because they were putting gloves on. Okay. When you were driving away from them during that pursuit, were we stopping at red lights?
Yes.
Did we go?
Turn on signals? Yes, I did. I turned on my signal while I was turning too.
Okay. Were we going faster than the speed limit, the posted speed limits?
Not that I know of.
Okay. We ever drive like left to center or anything like that?
I don't drive, I travel.
Okay. Did we ever travel left to center?
Not that I know of.
Okay. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just asking the questions, right?
I'm answering.
I know.
I was answering this, and they didn't like the answers.
I didn't think you were being rude. That's not why I said that. Like you said you don't drive, you travel. That's why I changed my verbiage to say travel, right? Like I'm not trying to be rude. I'm trying to be respectful of what your beliefs are. Okay. I know at one point somebody had said they were questioning as to what your identity was because you couldn't provide a driver's license. I take it you're saying that you believe in talking to a sheriff and a higher up, and that you're traveling, right? You don't have any government identification. Okay. Have you ever had any form of government identification?
When I was under the black code, yes.
Okay. And what state would that have been with?
That would have been as a United States citizen at that one point in time under Illinois.
Okay. In like the Chicago area? Okay. And the name on all of that would have been Nia, is it McClin? Is that your last name?
That
Is that how
would
you
be the
pronounce
trade
it?
name, yes. The trade name is Nia McClin.
Okay. Trying to think if there's anything else I'm missing that you can think of.
If you'd gotten a hold of the sheriffs, what was the plan from there?
I would have asked them, are they competent in the United States Notification and Access Manual?
And if they'd have said no?
Then I would have needed to speak to somebody else who was, maybe their supervisor.
Where were you going while you were on the phone? Were you going to a
I-
specific destination or
Yes, I was traveling back to my domicile at Chicago.
in Chicago?
At Chicago.
Okay. What brought you out here?
Just wanted to pick me up something to eat. I was hungry. I have food in the car. I literally went to Mission Barbecue. I picked me up something to eat. I was hungry. I wasn't going fast when the guy pulled me over. You know, I was literally traveling the speed limit.
So you came from Chicago?
No, I was traveling back from Maryland, but I was en route to
Oh,
Chicago.
okay, I see. That makes sense. I thought you meant you came from Chicago here from Mission Barbecue. I know Mission Barbecue's good, but
Yeah, it's good. It ain't that good, no.
okay. I can't think of anything else.
So, is that car yours? Did you borrow it from somebody?
No,
That's your vehicle?
It's my car. It's me and my grandmother's car.
Okay. And you said that you were coming back from, just want to make sure I got all this correct. Tell me if I'm wrong at any point. You're traveling back from Maryland, headed back to the Chicago area. You stopped to get Mission,
Barbecue.
and he pulled you over.
For no reason,
Okay.
other than the fact that he didn't like my tags.
Okay. Let me ask you just for my own personal curiosity, okay? Obviously, you don't recognize our authority, right? That's your belief, and you can have that belief.
I do recognize.
Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe I misunderstood. I'm sorry. I thought when you were asking for the sheriff, you were saying you don't recognize the authority of the local police.
Well, he asked me about tags, and he kept being aggressive. So at that point, I needed to speak to somebody
Oh, okay.
who is confident in notification, the constant notification and access manual.
Okay. Because my question was going to be, what made you stop originally? If you wanted to speak with the sheriff, what made you stop for the police department originally?
Well, he signaled, so
Okay.
I was at least being respectful
Yeah.
and pulled over. But then they kept being aggressive. They asked for identification. I told them I have a nationality card, and under the United States Justice Department, in absence of a driver's license, a nationality card will suffice.
Okay.
So a nationality card supersedes a driver's license,
Okay.
and that's under the 1508 manual.
So, the way we're talking here right now, right? Do you feel like I've been aggressive or raised my voice at all towards you?
No, sir.
Do you, the officers on scene, were they more aggressive than I am to you right now?
Yes.
Okay. And the way you're talking to me, you don't feel that, I don't feel you're being aggressive, but do you feel that's an aggressive way for you to talk to me at all?
Not that I know of.
Okay. I don't feel that way either, just for the record. Was that how you were talking to them during the traffic stop, or were you more animated with them?
I might have thrown a little animation, but I was
'Cause
still...
you're frustrated.
Yeah, because I'm frustrated. I just wanted to get back to my
Human
domicile.
being, you're allowed to be frustrated.
And on top of that, I was answering their questions, so I was complying. It's just that they wanted me to step out without cause, and I wasn't going at a fast speed limit to even be pulled over to begin with. Aside from the fact, the agent didn't like my car. He didn't like my tags.
Okay. So, I think that's all we have as far as questions for you. Do you have any questions for me? I will tell you, there's probably some that I don't have the answers to right now. If I do have the answers, I'll happily answer them for you.
So, what is the process for tomorrow?
So, what's going to happen is you'll be here overnight, okay? In the state of Ohio, we have 48 hours to get you in front of the judge. Right, so we would technically have until Tuesday to get you in front of a judge. My game plan is to get you in front of one tomorrow. Right, but I don't know what the judge's docket is going to look like tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay? I don't control the judge's schedule.
Okay.
What I can tell you is that I'm going to go in and finish up the paperwork that I have to do tonight.
Okay.
That way I can get it to the judge in the morning in the hopes that they're able to see you tomorrow. Okay? Then once you see the judge, what they'll do is they'll issue you a bond. You'll have your initial appearance. You'll be able to speak with an attorney, whether you'd like a court-appointed attorney or you'd like to get your own. And then they'll issue you a bond, and then your case will likely be bound over to the Cuyahoga County Court of Common Pleas because it's a felony. Okay? All right. So, any other questions? Alright, the only other thing I tell everybody is we work for Parno Heights. Parno Heights no longer has its own jail, for better or worse. I wish we had our own jail, not that I don't like these guys, but if we had our own jail, I wouldn't have to leave the comfort of my own office. And I'm a homebody, maybe a little lazy on occasion. So, these guys, we literally, it's like a first hotel you're probably going to stay at, right? We just pay them to house you, so not that you've been disrespectful in any way towards them, they haven't said anything. I say it to literally everybody I speak to in here, so I'd be remiss if I didn't tell you as well, right? They are not us, they're not the ones charging you. Our agency is the one charging you. So be kind and respectful to them, please. They are literally just being paid as an agency to house you, okay? Any issues you have with us, you're welcome to take up with us after the fact. These guys here are just the interim, because they still have a jail and they're willing to accept a contract to house prisoners for us, okay? Sound like a plan? Alright. I will have them put in your property here, a copy of my business card, that way when you get out you need something, give me a call if you have any questions, okay? Or if you end up, whether it's, like I said, court appointed or a personal attorney, you have any questions, they can reach out to me.
What about the officers that were at the scene? Do I have their business cards still?
So not everybody gets business cards. I have one because I'm the detective sergeant in charge of the detective bureau.
Okay.
But when you get your copy of the report through the court process, then all of that will be in the report. Or you could just call and ask for a copy of it. I don't know that they'll give it to you because it's not through the court process since you're a charged party. But there is, I mean, there's no secret to it. I can give you the badge numbers. I believe the officer that stopped just 5'1".
5'1", yeah.
Yeah, I believe the officer that initiated the stop is 5'1". As far as all the other officers on scene, like I said, I wasn't there, so I'm not sure. But I know the officer who initiated the traffic stop, his badge number is 5'1". It's Officer Badea.
Okay. And then what's going to happen with my automobile?
So your car was impounded to Searles Automotive. In order to get the car out, you have to have current plates and proof of ownership. Okay.
So you want me to get with the title or something?
So you'd have to have like the whoever's, are you the titled owner of the car?
I'm on the title,
You just bring the title up there and they'll be able to get the car out for you.
but the car is still being paid for.
Okay, memorandum of title will work, that's fine.
Okay. So current plates, so the tags that I have on. So what do you want me to do? Because I domicile in Illinois.
That would probably be something that you have to work out with Searles, because of the domicile plates. I don't know if they recognize those or not. That's between you and them. We don't really have any say if that's sufficient enough for them to release that.
So they just don't do credit card or debit card? You have to have all of that in order
Well,
to
you'll have to have that as well, but as far as the plates go, you're gonna have to work that out with them, okay?
So no matter what ends up happening, you have to come to our station first to get the tow release. Okay? So once you get out of here, because you can't get the car out till you're out, right? So once you get your bond tomorrow from the judge, whatever that is, if you're able to make bond, whatever the bond amount is, then from there, if you come up to the station, the clerks who handle the tows and stuff, tows are not something I typically handle. The clerks who handle the tows will be able to give you that information much more clearly than I will. Can I recite the Ohio Revised Code? Yeah, a good portion of it. Can I recite our department's tow policy? No, not all of it, because I don't handle tows every day. Okay? But if you'd like to call me when you get out of here and ask me some of those questions, I can find out some of the answers for you in the interim. I know that valid plates and current proof of ownership are two things we typically require to get out. So under Ohio law, valid plates would be either through Illinois, Ohio, whatever state you're living in, for you to get it out. Because the state of Ohio recognizes those as being.
So you say memorandum of title, so what would I need to go get that from, like a DMV or something?
Yeah, so typically when you buy a vehicle, if you are still making payments on it, in order to get the plates from a BMV in the first place, they send you a memorandum of title. That way the BMV is going to give you the plates, saying, hey, this person, we own the car, we have a lien on the car, but this person is paying on it, so they have interest in it, so we're going to allow them to get plates for the car.
Usually if you contact whoever it is that you're making payments to and ask for it, they'll just send you one.
Yeah, so I don't know what kind of credit you have. So like if you're through like Toyota Financial or whatever it is, if you reach out to Toyota Financial, they can probably email you a memorandum of title. Anything else I can answer for you?
What does the bond typically say?
So that's completely up to the judge. I have no say in the bond.
Mm-hmm.
That is something that judges do. I don't have any say in that whatsoever. And there's a bond schedule for misdemeanors.
Mm-hmm.
With felonies that's completely up to a judge's discretion. So I don't know what your bond would be. There's everything from a personal bond to, which would be, hey, you signing your own recognizance saying, yes, I will show up at my next court date and time, to no bond, them saying, we're going to hold you on no bond, we believe you are a menace to society and you cannot be bonded out, right? Do I think that the latter is going to occur in this case? No, I don't, right? But those are the two ends of the spectrum. The judge can be this end, or somewhere in the middle. Okay? And your hearing tomorrow won't be down at county court, it'll be at Parma Municipal Court. I believe video's back up for you guys?
She said on person?
No, she's gotta go in person? Alright, so you're gonna get to see the judge in person tomorrow? Likely?
Time?
I won't have a time for you till tomorrow morning when I go see the judge, see what their docket looks like.
Okay.
Okay, but there'll be an officer that comes over and transports you from here to Parma. Okay, then you'll hang out at Parma for a while till you see the judge. Once you get your bond, he'll transport you back here. Okay?
All right.
In the meantime, if you have any questions, they typically have as many answers as I do. Alright?
Okay.
And if they don't have the answer, they know how to get a hold of me and I'll try and find it for you.
Okay.
Okay? We're not trying to hide answers from you. Try to work with you the best we can. Alright? My goal is not to put you in here overnight, throw away the key forever.
No, that wouldn't happen either.
Alright?
All right.
Best of luck to you, okay?
Appreciate it.
Thank you for talking to us. I appreciate it.